Okay, Algebra Lesson 12, Adding Polynomials. First, let's kind of review what polynomials are and the different kinds. We talked about 3 different kinds of polynomials, and the first one was a monomial, which is just one term. X squared is one term, 6 is one term, those are all one, so monomial. Binomials have 2 terms. 2x and the 9 there, those are 2 terms, binomial. Same here, x and x squared, 2 terms, binomial. Then we have trinomials that have 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Trinomial. All of these are examples of polynomials, which just mean different numbers. Lots of numbers, different terms. Okay? We also can simplify them by combining like terms. So as long as they have the same amount of variables or the same exponents, you can combine them. 5x plus 2x, those have the same one constant, 1x, one constant, 1x, so 10x. Over here, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Those are like terms. 5 and 3 are like terms. Down here, x squared plus 2x squared. They both have x squared. And again, you can always imagine a 1 right here. So that would become 3x squared. 5x plus 10, those are not like terms. The 10 doesn't have a variable. So that we cannot combine because there are no like terms. So, after that quick little review, you are going to learn how to add some of them together, which again is just kind of like combining like terms. So real quickly here, that first example, we've got x squared plus 2x plus 3 plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. First thing you can do is just get rid of the parentheses. So we'll just do that. And then, then you just, again, combine like terms. Different color here to help. X squared, 2x squared. Those are like terms. 3x squared. And then we've got a 2x and a minus x. We've got to think about the symbol in front of it, and it's a minus x. So really this is 2x minus x, which would just give us x. Even though it had the minus here, it just means that when we're combining these terms, we're subtracting. It's still a positive x. 2 minus 1 is positive 1. So 3x squared here, 2x minus x is just x, and then the last one, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? So when you're adding polynomials, combine the like terms, you end up with 3x squared plus x plus 4. It goes on to show you that you can add those vertically, and I'm going to show you that too because some of you might prefer that method. So if you just write them on top of each other vertically, lining up the like terms. So I've got x squared plus 2x plus 3 plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. I've got them lined up according to like terms, and then you can just add vertically. Like this. 2x squared plus x squared, 3x squared. 2x minus x is x. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? Kind of sloppy because I'm writing sideways, but that's the gist of it. Go ahead and pause the video, complete the classwork examples on your own, then replay the video and we can check and see how you did. So pause it and do those, please. that first one, you've got 4x squared plus 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus x plus 3. If it helps you find those like terms, 4x squared plus 2x squared, 6x squared, then 3x and x, 3x, x would be 4x, 5 plus 3 is 8. So you should have 6x squared plus 4x plus 8. Down at the bottom, same thing. These are your like terms. 2x squared, 5x squared, so 7x squared. 2x minus x is just 1x, just x positive still. And then 7 plus 4 is 11. So for number 2, 7x plus x plus 11. And then that third one, 3x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus x squared plus 2x. No, minus, I'm sorry. X squared minus 3x. Minus 7. Again, remember how small of writing I'm making, adding that in that book. Alright, I wrote it vertically this time. Same thing. Combine like terms. 3x squared plus x squared is 4x squared. 2x plus a negative 3x is actually going to be negative 1. 2 minus 3 is negative 1, so it's a negative x. If you want to put the 1 there, you can, but that's always kind of implied. And then 4 minus 7, 4 plus a negative 7 is negative 3. So for that last one, you should have 4x squared minus x minus 3. Okay? If you had trouble with any of those, or all of them, just mark them, and we'll go over them tomorrow in class.